Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing a hair care haul, and I'll be doing it a little bit different because some of these items I have tried out before, so I'll be doing a mini review. So if you want to see any of these products, then just keep on watching. The first item that I want to show you is a blow dryer, and it's from the brand called Wazer, and this can be found online on Amazon. So with this hair dryer, it has 3 heat settings, cool shots, and negative ions. And in regards to the design, this is very small. This is the smallest hair dryer that I have, so it makes it perfect for travel, and it's lightweight and it has a long cord. And what I really like also is that it has a Velcro strap, so it just makes it easier for when you are storing it. And in regards to the design, you can take off the cap, which is great because then you could clean the filter, and this just helps to extend the life of your blow dryer. And with this blow dryer, it also does come with a concentrator nozzle, and it is very powerful and it does a good job at drying hair quickly. The next product is from Tangle Teezer, and this is the wet detangling brush. And I have tried this out on my niece and my nephew, and it worked really great for their curls, so I'm definitely interested to see how it's going to work out for my hair type. So with this brush, it says that it has 325 unique teeth to untangle every strand of hair quickly and gently, and this is good for all hair types. And then next are some products from Invisibobble, and these are the traceless hair ring. So this one is in True Black, then this is Blush Hour, and then this is Mint to Be. So with this design, it's basically supposed to not give you that ring in your hair if you had your hair in a ponytail or a bun. So I have tried this out on my niece's hair when her hair was straight, and it worked really great for that. So I'm interested to see how this is going to work out for curly hair. And then next is a product from T3, and this is the Volumizing Hot Rollers Luxe. And I'll be trying this out in my mom's hair. She has used something like this before, way back in the day, but I'll be testing this out to see how it works for her. So let me know if you want to see a review or tutorial. This next product, I've heard such great things about it, so I'm interested to see what my results are going to be. And it's basically just Olaplex, and this is number 3, and this is supposed to repair and strengthen all hair types. So I did use number 1 and 2 when I got my hair done, and honestly it did a great job because with my hair, I did get a bleach that day, and prior to that my hair was dyed about like 3 times. I'm not sure if I did it 4 times, but I would say about 3 times. So for my hair to be dyed so many times and for my curls to be looking still great, right now this is about 7 or 8 day hair, and I have to wash it today, but it still looks amazing. So I think that the Olaplex did a huge difference because basically it's supposed to help repair bonds in your hair. So I will be trying this out and doing a review and demo, so let me know if you'd like to see that down below. And then next is a product from Madison Reed, and this is a balayage kit, and I have never tried anything like this before. I've always done just box size, and I always have to just separate my hair and see how I want my highlights to be. So it's really cool that with the brush, that basically just helps you when you're doing those sweeping motions. So that's what's included in the kit, so stay tuned for that video. These products are very unique, and I want to show you an up close look at their texture. So they're from Pantene Pro V, and they're from the charcoal collection. And basically with this line, it's great for women who go several days in between washes. So this is a shampoo, and this is a purifying root wash, and this is the conditioner, and it's a renewing cream rinse. So definitely stay tuned for a review on these products. Lastly, I want to show you a few collections. So these products are from Swartsoff, and they're from the Blonde Me range. So with that collection, they have products for cool blondes, warm blondes, and all blondes. So first is the bonding shampoo, and this is sulfate free, and this is for cool blondes, so it does have that purple tint. And then this is the Keratin Restore bonding conditioner, and this is for all blondes, and I have tried these products out before, and they're very moisturizing. And then lastly, what I like to follow up when I'm styling my hair and to refresh my hair is a tone enhancing spray conditioner, and this smells amazing. The scent lingers, and I just love using this when my hair has a little bit of crunch in it. So I'll just spray it all over, and then I'll just make sure to scrunch my hair, and it helps to get that crispiness out of it. And then next are some products from Maui Moisture, and they smell absolutely amazing. It reminds me of like a tropical ocean breeze. And with these products, they're from the Color Protection and Minerals collection, and this is just the shampoo and the conditioner. And with these products, it says that it's great for color treated hair, and they also do have a spray in this line as well. And then lastly are some products from Kerastase, and this is from the Discipline line. And I have never used anything from Kerastase before, but I have heard good things, so I'm definitely excited to see how it's going to work out for me. So with these products, they're great for curly hair. So first is the hair mask, and then there is the cleansing conditioner. And then when you're styling your hair, they have a leave-in spray, and then they also have a leave-in, not detangler, sorry, a leave-in conditioner. And then lastly, when you're styling your hair, they have a mousse. So this is going to be completely different for me because whenever I'm styling my hair, I always use a gel because I need lots of hold in my hair. So I'll be trying out a different routine and see how that works out for me. So that's it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want any more information about anything that I showed today, just check the description box below. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!